Good morning children, welcome back to the world of EVS. Yes, here we go to the foodie world of EVS. Yesterday I told you I will tell the story of food. Are you remembering it? Yeah. Did you study the homeworks? Yes. So let me ask one question. What are the components or nutrients present in our food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. So, along with some fibers and water. Do you like a healthy food or do you like a junk food? Do you like a healthy food or do you like a junk food? Tell me your favorite food. Oranges? That is wrong, I think so. I know your favorite food is chocolate, pizza, burger, Lays, bingo, isn't it? Is it good for our health? What do you think? Is bingo is good for our health? No. Then why do you like that food? It is tasty and it is delicious. Yes. Now we are going to discuss importance of food. So after studying this topic, I will ask you the same question. Then you should not change your answer. You should change your answer. Let us see what is happening now. Okay? Are you all ready? So, let us have a healthy meal. Don't eat sugary food. Don't eat fatty food. Let us have a healthy meal. So, food which we eat should have some nutrients in that. So, such food we will call it as healthy food or nutritious food. Why? Because food help us to live, help us to grow and help us to stay healthy. We need food to live. We need food. Food help us to grow. Food help us to stay healthy. If you want to run, if you want to kick, if you want to do any work, we need energy. So, food gives energy to do many works. Your mother is doing a lot of work, your father is doing a lot of work, you are doing plenty of work. Am I correct? You are not doing any work? That is wrong. Are you studying? Yes. Even if you are not doing any work, you are sitting simply, also our body, digestion, respiration, a lot of works are there. So, we need energy. If you won't do any work, if you are sleeping, but also we need food. We feel hungry. So, we need energy to do work and we need nutrients to stay healthy and to protect us from many diseases. That is the second point. When you select a food as your favorite, keep in mind we need food to get energy to do work. We need nutrients for what? Yes, to stay healthy and protect us from diseases. And third one, these food items help us to grow tall and help us to grow strong. So, if you want to become tall and if you want to become strong, what you have to do? You have to take healthy meals always. So, food is so much important. There are plenty of people, they do not have even a single drop of food. So, do not waste the food. At the same time, remember the importance of food. Now, you have to open the page number 18. Did you see a green heading? Importance of food. Are you able to read? Shall we read together? Are you ready? Yes. What is the first line? We, put your finger on each word when we read it. We need food to live, grow and be healthy. Can you read it as a song? We need food to live, grow and healthy. Once again, sing with me. We need food to live, grow and be healthy. We need food to live, to grow and be healthy. Now come to the next sentence. It gives us the energy to work. 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 Once again, it gives us the energy to, yes, you said it, work. Now come to the third line. It gives us what? What is this word? Nutrients. What is the spelling of nutrients? You already studied in second class. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. It gives us nutrients which keep us healthy by protecting. What is this word? Protecting us from diseases. What is the spelling of diseases? D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. So read it again. It gives us nutrients which keep us healthy by protecting us from diseases. Now come to the last line. It helps us to grow tall and strong. It helps us to grow tall and strong. So suppose if anybody asks you what is the importance of food, what will you tell? What will be your answer? Food. We need food to live, to grow and to stay healthy. We need food to live, to grow and to stay healthy. What is the next point? Food gives us energy to do works. Isn't it? Food gives us energy to do works. Food gives us nutrients which help us to stay healthy by protecting us from many diseases. Food also help us to grow tall and strong. Did you get me? So what is the importance of food? Food. We need food to live, to grow and to stay healthy. Live, grow and to stay healthy. We need food to get energy to do all the works. We get nutrients which help us to stay healthy by protecting us from many diseases. Food help us to grow tall and strong. So what did you understand? We discussed about the importance of food. Now tell me which is your favorite food? Will you eat the Lay's packet 3 times a day as your meal? No. Why? Because it does not contain any nutrient. So you have to select the nutritious food, fruits, vegetables, homely food. Your mother or father prepare homely food, you have to eat a lot. So hereafter say no to fatty food, Don't eat fatty food, don't eat sugary food. Let us have a healthy meal. Let us have a healthy meal. So today what you have to do is, you have to write a short note about what? Write the importance of food. Write the importance of food. So what is the importance of food? I told you. So read this paragraph, importance of food. Write a short note on, write the importance of food and send it to your EVS teacher. If you can add more points, you can add it. Did you get me? So hereafter, let us have a healthy meal. Or do you need a junk meal? No. Say no to junk food. Say yes to healthy meal. So stay healthy, eat healthy meal. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye.